Alright, today we've got for sale the DJI Inspire 1. This is a top-of-the-line DJI drone. It's in perfect condition. It's got tons and tons of spares. Showed all that today. It's got low hours. It's got 2 flight controllers. One, you can either have one that does everything and one backup, or, as we like to use sometimes, you have one for the pilot and one for the cameraman, which is really cool, so you can do individual shots while the person's flying it, and you each get to have something to not have to focus on 2 things at once. Gives you options and flexibility. Tons and tons of spare props. We did the conversion to the quick mounts, you can see here. So the props click on and off, very simple and easy. We've got 2 TB48 batteries that have only maybe a handful of cycles on them, and then we've got 2 that are literally brand new. Still got the plastic on them. And they all get stored around 40 and constantly checked, just as per the manual. Got spare, the rubbers for the mounts, all the cables. We've got fly Trex. We've got some of these lens cover case holders and a full set of polar filters. These are really, really good. It's the full set. We've got iPad mini and full iPad sunshades. And you got the gimbal box, charger for the battery, charger for the remotes, jumper cable that does the battery charging the remotes, and 2 of the little shorty lightning cables that connect the remote to the iPad. Those are nice. You don't have a whole bunch of it's just long enough to fit an iPad or iPad mini without having a whole bunch of dangling. A lot less things to get hung up on. Then we have this kick-ass case that's customized for the Inspire, and it holds a ton of stuff. And this is pretty much like a full-blown professional travel case. You can check it on the airlines and lock it. And just so you know what this is, that is memory foam. It came with egg crate foam that just started falling apart, making a mess, so we replaced it with genuine memory foam. So that way it snugs everything down, and it's actually removable, which lets you store some boxes in the back that we actually use for launch pads. If you ever needed to go in grass or sand, you can just slide those out and lay them out. Pocket over here holds all your spare blades. And then the unit sits in there. We put a little memory foam in the bottom to, if you want to store the gimbal on it. You got battery pockets everywhere. You got charger pockets. It's basically limitless. You got 2 controller pockets, gimbal box, iPad mini, and then just some extra little spots. So tons and tons of storage. And legitimately, you can throw this on an airplane, and when you get there, everything will be good to go. It's got wheels on it. It's got a handle on the front, so it's really easy to tote around. You don't have to actually pick it up. You just carry it like a check-in luggage kind of thing. Alright, and here it is inside the box. As you can see, all your props over there and your sunshades. Got the boxes for the props, more props underneath, all the directions, cables, charger, remotes, gimbal box, remotes, batteries, and obviously you can put another battery here if you get one, another battery here, storage for there. I mean, there's tons of storage on this thing. And then of course tablet. And here's what it looks like when it's all closed up. As you can see, it's got lock holes there, so if you're going to put it on the plane, you can put locks, TSA locks on it. Got a big handle here to carry it like a suitcase. You got a handle here if you each want to grab one side. And down here you got your slide out handle like a carry-on, because the other side is got wheels on it. And again, this thing is legitimately an awesome case. So all in all, between the drone and all the accessories, spare batteries, double remotes, and this monster travel case, you're probably looking around $3,500 to $4,000 worth of drone and accessories. And obviously now, with it being used, it's going to be way less than that. Hit us up if you're interested. It's a great deal for anybody getting into it. It's super easy to fly this thing. You can watch the videos. It's super fast and stable. Flies in high winds, any conditions, just about. Obviously, you don't want to take it out in pouring rain or anything, but it is a super stable, great quadcopter. We just unfortunately don't have enough time to fly it these days, so hopefully it'll find a better home. So this thing again has been meticulously maintained, perfect running conditions, never had any issues with it, and everything you see here is included, nothing more, nothing less.